Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange the Libertadores player with guarantee 84 until 89 OVR player. So this video is part 2. The first part is guaranteed 80 until 87. The second part is 84 until 89 OVR best player. So I made this video is for beginner new into this game because this game is previously FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So there are some new event, new challenge, and also new quests that give you ton of rewards. Let's get started by tapping the club, tap the exchange, tap the middle one, this one 84 and 89, tap. So you can get CONMEBOL Libertadores event player, but with exchange condition 3 over attacker with 80 plus, 4 80 plus midfielder, and 4 80 plus defender or goalkeeper. So you can get some Libertadores player here. For example, this is the possible rewards. And if you have the exchange condition, just tap add, quick add and tap the exchange. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click next button below. Enjoy the game.